Hello everyone. In today's class, we will solve problem related to departmental accounts. So here is one problem. The following trial balance for the year ended 31st March 2019 has been extracted from the books of Badega Departmental Stores. So capital on 1st April 2018 50,000, drawings 10,000, stock on 1st April 2018. These are the departments, radio and watches. So, department radio 45,000, watches department 21,000 opening stock. Sales, radio 2,94,000, watches department sales 1,46,000. Purchases of radio department 2,25,000, watches department 1,15,000. Salaries 12,600. Publicity expenses 8,900. Rent, rates and taxes 3,200. Commission 10,600. Miscellaneous expenses 5,000. Furniture and fixtures 12,400. Debtors and creditors 16,800. 8,800. 4% government bond 10,000. Interest on government bond 400. Provision for doubtful debts 800. Cash at bank 4,500. Total 5 lakh. Prepare departmental trading and profit and loss account for the year ending 31st March 2019 and a balance sheet as on that date after taking into account the following. Stock on 31st March 2019, that is closing stock of radio department 30,000, watches department 24,000. An amount of rupees 1,200 out of debtors has to be written off as bad, and the provision for doubtful debts has to be increased thereafter to 10% of the debtors. The following expenses are outstanding on 31st March 2019, that is publicity expenses 1,300 outstanding, commission 1,700, salaries 1,200. Next one, provide 10% depreciation on furniture and fixtures. Next, all the revenue items to be located in the ratio of 2:1 between the departments. So, in ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ all the revenue items to be located in the ratio of 2:1. So, ಎಲ್ಲ revenue items ಅನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು 2:1 ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಚಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ allocate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay. So, now let us prepare Departmental Trading and Profit and Loss account for the year ending 31st March 2019 in the books of Badega Departmental Stores. Okay. So, on debit side of trading account, first we have to take opening stock. So, to opening stock of radio department 45,000. Okay. Watches department 21,000. Right? So, total 66,000. Okay, total opening stock. Next, two purchases. Purchase of radio department 2,25,000. Watches department 1,15,000. Right? So, total 3,40,000. Okay. Next, ವೇಜಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಆ ರೀತಿದು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ನಾವು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬೈ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 2,94,000, ವಾಚಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 1,46,000. Total 4,40,000. Okay, next closing stock. Closing stock is how much? Radio department 30,000, watches department 24,000. So total 54,000. Now find out the gross profit. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಈಗ 3,24,000 ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ₹54,000. Next, watches department total 1,70,000. So there is gross profit of ₹34,000. Watches department ಅಲ್ಲಿ gross profit ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 34,000. Total 4,94,000. Difference 88,000. So by gross profit brought down 54,000, 34,000, total 88,000. Now expenses. So profit and loss account prepare ಮಾಡುವಾಗ expenses ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಟು ಸ್ಯಾಲರೀಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಯಾಲರೀಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 12,600. ಸ್ಯಾಲರೀಸ್ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ 1,200. ಸೊ ಸ್ಯಾಲರೀಸ್ 12,600 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1,200 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಲ್ಲಿ 13,800 total salaries plus outstanding. So now we have to apportion the expenses in the ratio of 2:1 between the departments. So radio ಮತ್ತು watches department ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ allocate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 2:1. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 2:1 ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ allocate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು 2:1 ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ allocate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಯಾಲರೀಸ್. ಸೊ 13,800 into 2/3, 13,800 into 1/3. So we'll get 9,200. ಸೊ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಆಫ್ ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕೀಗ 9,200. ವಾಚಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 4,600. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಸಿಟಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಪಬ್ಲಿಸಿಟಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ 8,900. ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 1,300. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ 10,200. ಪಬ್ಲಿಸಿಟಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ expenses, publicity expenses 10,200. Now we have to allocate the expenses between radio department and watches department in the ratio of 2:1. So ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 10,200 into 2/3, 10,200 into 1/3. ಸೊ ಆಗಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ 6,800 ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ವಾಚಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 3,400. Okay, next rent rates and taxes. Rent rates and taxes 3,200, right? So 3,200 into 2/3, so 2,133 rent rates and taxes of radio department. Watches department 3,200 into 1/3. So 1,067 watches department. Next commission. Commission ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ 10,600 plus commission outstanding 1,700. Total 12,300, right? So 12,300 ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಈಗ allocate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 2:1 ratio. So 12,300 into 2/3. So commission of radio department 8,200, watches department 4,100. That means 12,300 into 1/3. Okay. Next miscellaneous expenses 5,000. Miscellaneous expenses ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 5,000. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ 5,000 ಇಂಟು 2/3, 3,333 ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ವಾಚಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 5,000 ಇಂಟು 1/3, 1,667. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ಸ್. ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ 1,200. ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ Okay, see here. An amount of rupees 1200 out of debtors has to be written off as bad, and the provision for doubtful debts has to be increased thereafter to 10% of the debtors ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So bad debts 1200. Okay, add new RBD 1560. Okay, bad debts 1200. Add new RBD 1560. 1560 ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So debtors 16,800 minus 1,200 bad debts. Okay, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಈಗ 15,600. So 15,600 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10% provision for doubtful debts. 10% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ 15,600 into 10%, 1,560. So now add new RBD 1,560. So we'll get total of rupees 2,760. Now we have to deduct the old RBD. Trial balance ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ old RBD ಅದನ್ನು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Provision for doubtful debts 800. So minus less old RBD 800. So total ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಈಗ 1,960. Okay. Now we have to allocate 1,960 in the ratio of 2:1. So 1,960 into 2 by 3. So for radio department 1,307. So for watches department 1,960 into 1 by 3. So 653. Next depreciation on furniture. So provide 10% depreciation on furniture and fixtures ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರಲ್ವ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10% means 1,240. So 12,400 value of furniture. So 10% means depreciation 1,240. So 1,240 into 2 by 3 827. 1,240 into 1 by 3 413. Okay. Okay, now let us take the income. So credit side of profit and loss account by interest on bonds. So interest 4% interest ಇದೆ. So 10,000 into ಇಷ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4% ಅಲ್ವಾ. So 10,000 into 4% means 400. So interest on bonds 400. So 400 ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ allocate ಮಾಡಬೇಕೀಗ 2:1 ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ. So 267 133. Right? So total 54,267 radio department, watches department 34,133, total 88,400. Difference that is net profit of radio department 22,467, watches department 18,233, total 40,700. Now let us prepare balance sheet, consolidated balance sheet as at 31st March 2019. So asset side, furniture and fixtures 12,400 less depreciation, 10% depreciation is provided. So 1,240 depreciation. So ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಈಗ 11,160. 12,400 minus 1,240, 11,160. Next debtors 16,800. So bad debts ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 1,200. So less bad debts 1,200. So we'll get 15,600. Next less new RBD 1,560. 15,600 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10% new RBD. So 1,560. 15,600 minus 1,560, 14,040. Next 4% government bonds 10,000. Cash at bank 4,500. Next one closing stock of radio department 30,000. Watches department 24,000. Total 54,000. 4,000. Now liability side capital. So trial balance alli kottidare capital 50,000. Next we have to add the net profit. So total 40,700 idelle. So add net profit 40,700. So we'll get 90,700 minus drawings 10,000. So 80,700. Next liability creditors 8,800. Next outstanding expenses idalga yavadella publicity expenses, commission, salaries. So publicity expenses 1,300, commission 1,700, salaries 1,200. Total outstanding expenses 4,200. So now total 93,700. So asset side as well as liability side will get total of 93,700.